this issue of Amaka and Yorubas and Bini, people are now reacting on it from different angle, and it is not surprising because I want to get what I can say now. All this while people are making utterances against Igbo people, nobody cared to ask why. Nobody called for their head. But Amaka, one statement that she made, people are now overreacting about it. But thank God that Igbos are also responding to that, because we are now bringing informations about what other people have said, about what they said, other people have said about Igbos in the past. I won't waste much of your time. I will not. Let me just allow you to hear what this brother said. Then I'll be right back.
For that country. This is exactly how they program us to fight each other. And that's exactly why the country is not working. Honestly, it's been like that for a long time. Not be today. You go back to the history. Go back to the history. Amaka is not the first person who is threatening the other tribes. Yoruba are threatening Igbos. Igbos are threatening Yoruba, but Igbos are more victim in that part of West Africa. Among the tribes in Nigeria, Igbos are the most victim. Igbo are the most threat people. But now Igbo people, now them, they even make Nigeria sweet. This is no doubt. I'm not trying to blaspheme any other tribe. Igbo people make Nigeria what Nigeria is today. Abi, you don't understand? Show me any Yoruba man where they for Calabar, where get big business where they for Calabar. Just show me how many Igbo, how many Hausa man there for Calabar where get houses, big business. I'm not trying to say that Hausa Fulani people don't have houses in other parts of Nigeria. They do. But now these Igbo people, now in they develop Nigeria everywhere where they go. If they enter village, that they go turn that village to town. I bet make una not understand me. I'm not here to down talk Yoruba people. I'm not here to down talk Igbo people. I'm not here to down talk Benin people. I'm not here to down talk anybody that is not Igbo speaking, especially from Southeast. I'm here to tell you guys the reality. Not be today we don't threaten each other. But what's it called? They make me like every video where they see every reaction where I see for social media where they cry about Amaka, especially the Yoruba people that are crying on social media. Oh, that lady is threatening. You want to keep it for Canada. Now, person, you get what happen with that woman. They react on. There was another person where they cause Igbo people. There's another people where we say now you get video where give that woman reaction. Now empty threat now it be. How is it possible for only one Igbo girl to begin to poison all the Benin people waiting for Canada? How is it possible for only one Igbo girl to begin to put poison to kill people away from Yoruba people? Come on, guys, what is wrong with you guys? In every action, in every reaction, there is an action. That is what I want you guys to understand. And you see, I'm going to tell you guys the truth. This is what the British, this is what the British did to all of you. Now British do all this thing where they happen to all of us. Now British do them. They study humans. When these white people came to Africa, they study humans. They study humans. They know what Yoruba can do and what Yoruba cannot do. They study the Igbo people. They know what the Igbo people can do and what Igbo people cannot do. They know the Igbo speaking part of Nigeria. They know the DNA. Whether you are from Calabari, all of you are Igbo people. Whether you like it or not. Whether you are from Calabar area, whether you are from Cross River, or all of us, we are birds of the same feathers. But one thing you must understand is between all those tribes where they for southeast, south or whatever, there are people who will not agree. I want to take you back to the history. The reason why Nnamdi Azikiwe was not given a presidency. Do you actually think that the British want the development of Nigeria? Do you actually think the Europeans want the development of Africa? For real? You guys must be a joke. Whatever that is happening in between you and I now in all African nations, this is what they want, and this is how they're enjoying it. While we are busy fighting each other, Yoruba they busy fight Igbo, Igbo they busy fight Fulani, Fulani they busy fight Hausa, Benin people they busy fight Igbo people. That's exactly how they. This is what they have programmed thousands of years, more than 400 or 300 years ago. And the only way we will go remove that cause, not to divide the country. Without dividing the country, now so me and you, our generation go pass, another generation go come. Now so we go they go to say, oh, Nigeria is gonna be okay. Now so until as wise as Yoruba think they are, Igbo people think they're wise. They go school. Fulani people no go school. Yoruba people say, oh, we go school. Obafemi Awolowo, he give us free education. As wise as you are, as wise as Igbo people are, and as wise as Yoruba people think they are, the people who came from Futajalons, they are the one leading you. As we they talk now, them they steal money pass for Nigeria. I don't raise my voice. I don't want to raise voice. I swear to God, I can bet with my life. They only use the Yoruba people to steal money and give them crayfish money. 70% of money where they thief for Nigeria today. Now Hausa Fulani Hausa now. Make I talk say na Fulani. People will not get destination now. He come the rule now. People will not get destination. They don't get country now. People where they pursue from Egypt. These people are Nubians. I repeat, the Fulani people are Nubians. Their generation come from Egypt. Now they pursue them come up for Egypt. They don't want to be. They don't want to get settlement. They are everywhere. They are in Sudan. They are in Eritrea. They are in Ethiopia. They are everywhere. No African country where you no go see them. They don't want to have a permanent place to sit. The only place they found permanent state to sit is West Africa. Now then they come, they make all of una they fight like as una they fight each other. Now so they make the oil where they for una state. The food Buhari came, he don't sell all the oil where una get, he don't sell them in advance. 20 years to this time, now so una go still they suffer. Oil where una they sell this fuel where una what will they talk about now? Oh God. I don't want to raise my voice. Yeah? You are busy fighting each other. Yoruba they fight Igbo. Igbo they fight Yoruba. Benin they fight Igbo. Una know they talk about una oil where they for una villages where we say your Fulani people don't sell and finish. Now just to they fight each other. Make una sit down and think like, how are we going to now to divide the country itself? Make I not talk say how we go fix the country. It's not fixable. The country is not fixable. I've been like that for so long. The only solution be say make they divide. There's no other way. Me, I don't sit down think camo. I don't talk say make una think like me. Oh, me, I don't sit down think and like. What is the way forward? There's no other way forward. There's no other. I don't think of. And the thing where they pay me pass now, people where they say they don't get destination. They come, oh God, wait, I want to show you guys something. I want you to read this. Who are the Fulani? Ancestral of Fulani. Who are the ancestral of Fulani? Over the time, it has been proposed that their ancestrals could be ancient Egyptians, Nubians, Persians. They say not Jew, they are Arab. They are, forget about this Jew. Put Arab, now Arab. Ethiopian, they are in Ethiopia. Western Africa. Excuse me. You see, the correct one is they came from Egypt. Now Egypt they come from. You know, not say I don't tell you a story. I don't make video before where I talk about black Egyptians where they pursue. Till today, if you go to Egypt, you go still see those where they permanent for Egypt. Go and Google it. Go to YouTube and go to YouTube. No, go to Google. Go to YouTube and Google Egyptians, Nubian. All of them, they look like Fulani. Those ones are permanent black Egyptians. Where they pursue them reach, they are still part of Egypt. They are still Egyptians. They push them away from the city. Till today, they did there. Go to your Google. Go and Google it. Go and Google them. People don't go there. Go make videos. Go and Google it. You are going to see it. Hungry, they kill them there. And they are part of Egyptians. But what they pay me, they said, we are all human beings. There's nothing wrong. Anybody can migrate to anywhere and find a permanent place to stay. But can we just show each other love? There's no love there. The love has not been there. And everything where our ancestors planned for our heart, that hate where they're there, it can never change. And religion can make things worse again. Religion makes things even worse. They want to behave like Arab. They want to speak Arab. They want to worship Arab God. And this is the perfect time for you guys to just have your own country so that you can. So that we will go practice our religion in peace. As I speak to you, now the same set of people now in the kill for Burkina Faso. The same set of people now in the kill for all this African Republic. The same set of people everywhere in this Africa, not be only Nigeria, they find people. All this poof where they happen for Nigeria, not be only for Nigeria. It's not only in Nigeria. And they are the same set of people. They are just happy to see what they are doing. They just believe that anywhere where they, I don't understand. I'm just still confused. Like, when are we going to even wake up? Make we wake up. Make we divide the nation. If we divide them, then Fulani Hausa people go there one side. Then Yoruba go there. I mean, this is wrong. We should wake up. There's no way Nigeria can be fixed. I don't think there's any way Nigeria can be fixed. We have been programmed to fight each other. We have been fighting each other for since how many years? We are not getting solution. Corruption is everywhere. If money where they thief, if I say that they use the money where they thief, take even build industry, it would have been better. Now they fight Igbo. See somebody like Asari Tokumbo, useless man. People from our village, they suffer. You are busy fighting Igbo people will be your own brother. This is wrong. This is actually wrong. I don't know. I mean, anyway, it's been programmed like that. They know we like money. So now the money they take flash us. So you both take money, spoil us. They take money, spoil us. That's everything that money for our eyes. When them find gold for Zamfara, they found gold in Zamfara. That gold belonged to them. They sold it to Central Bank of Nigeria. Abinobi so. They found gold in Zamfara. That gold belonged to Fulani people, not you. But the oil in your state belonged to them. No water, no road. These are the things we're supposed to be talking about. Come on, one small girl with the vex. Now you don't. Federal government don't interfere already. You gotta see. I just they laugh like, what is wrong with these people? Now today they don't the threat. Tinubu wife no threat. Wait, Seth. Wait, let me check some things. I want to check some videos here. I want to check some. Look at this here. This is a Yoruba man. Let us buy all the Igbos. Let's flush them out of Yoruba land. I hate those people with passion. They are violent people. They are worst. They hate us. Let's hate them without holding back. This is from a Yoruba person. We know hear them from social media. Nobody heard that. Did you hear that from social media? You see, this is kind of. I know they see I'm well self. This is a Yoruba person. I'm going to search for another one. Okay, well, this one. Let's see another one. I don't know if it's the same. I know they see well. This one, another one. Adeniyi. Why are we are expecting your words of Igbos? In Abuja, Lagos, Kaduna, Ibadan. We go find all of them before we progress to that. Before we now progress to Biafra land. My wife from Imo State. I will find my wife first. Mumu people. Now they hear that they take style, they read and make una they see. That's from a Yoruba person. You know, trend for social media. Why do Yoruba people even hate Igbos so with passion? It's not their fault. Now waiting. Now the way Oyibo people take plan up from the onset, we know not because we shouldn't like each other. Liking each other is different from maintain your portion. Let me maintain my portion. Just like the drama going on in Lagos. Oh, now we get Lagos. No people now get Lagos. Oh, Igbo people, they get buy house for Lagos. I mean, why don't we just divide the nation once?
I believe you have listened to this, our brother, and everything he said is not strange to you. I believe you learned something from it. Now, I won't waste much of time, like I said. I want you to tell me what you think about what he said. Comment and tell me what he said, and like this video, okay? Share it, and see you on my next one. Bye-bye for now.